Hi everyone. I welcome you on this beautiful wintry day. It's snowing outside. Such a lovely weather to share some jewelry haul that I did recently. One of my very nice friend. She's great person. She's from Serbia. She probably is watching me right now. She told me, "Why don't you show your Indian jewelry?" And I said, "That's a fantastic idea." I am originally from India, from Punjab, and when we had Diwali, I mainly do quite a bit of shopping for our Indian, jewelry, and I bought some nice pieces that I want to show you guys. So this blog is gonna be bilingual. I'm gonna use some Hindi, and I am very fluent in Punjabi as well. So stay with me. I'll try to say whatever I'm saying in Hindi in my native Indian tongue. I'll try to say it in English as well. Let's start it. So I'm gonna show you a couple of pieces. When I am actually dressing for the Indian with the Indian clothing, I try to mix match, but there are certain pieces that I got. There is a very big Indian Heritage Festival that happens across Diwali, around Diwali here in US, and this is one of the piece. आप देख सकते हो इसमें different colors हैं. I like the jewelry that has different colors in it, especially जब आप कुछ भी strikingly प्लेन कलर का पहन रहे हो कोई सूट एंड आपका लाइक सिर्फ ब्लू कलर का सूट इट कैन गो विद दैट या ब्लैक कलर का सूट, हैव लॉट ऑफ ब्लैक कलर सूट्स, तो ये उसके साथ भी जा सकता है. इसके बहुत ब्यूटीफुल, इट हैज़ ब्यूटीफुल स्टड्स रेड कलर के. आई लाइक स्टड्स बिकॉज स्टड्स ना मेरे ऑफिस में आई कैन यूज़ देम. तो दिस आई कैन कैरी लाइक इंडो वेस्टर्न kind of style. I tend not to do that, but with certain pieces you can. Now next piece is I think my favorite. This guy was not expensive. ये शायद $30 का ही था. This guy is very pretty. This is a necklace that goes like this. Okay, and you can see it. And इसके बहुत beautiful earrings हैं again with the pink stones and the green के matching के like that. You see this? Pretty, right? I don't mind to spend money when I like something. Everybody in my family knows that. शौक दे ਲਈ पैसा नहीं खर्चिया तो फिर की कीता, right? So this guy was like $120 or something. And फिर शौक तो ही तो होंदा मेन. Next thing is this one. मेरी सिस्टर इन लॉ ने भी इसको देखा था एंड वो मेरे को कह रही थी कि दीदी यू वियर ज्वेलरी लाइक queens and princesses, but this one I again like. It's a pearl necklace and beautiful emerald green color, and you can tie it. And इसके भी साथ में green earrings है. You can see that. Okay, so this one also was a very pretty piece, especially जब आप कोई light color के सूट डाल रहे हो या simple green सूट डाला है just to accessorize it. This is a pretty piece. And these things last actually long. मेरे को लगता है अब जो ज्वेलरी आ रही है ना, especially costume jewelry, ये jewelry is made to last. It probably used not to be that 10 or 15 years ago, but now look at the work that this guy has and the craftsmanship. Next one, कुछ इसमें से pieces ना ये company से हैं, Tinted Teal. She actually, her name is I think Neeta. She sells it on around at India Heritage Festival, and this piece is again from her. This one is from her too, and this is the one. ये मैंने actually ना उनको repair करने के लिए भेजना था, मैं भूल गई इस बार, but you can repair it easily at home. But this is again one pretty one. And finally I have one very nice one that I wanted to share with you guys. Look at this beauty. You feel like you're like a Maharani sitting somewhere out watching birds and your kingdom. You feel very glorious. And इसके ये जो earrings हैं, इसके आगे और पीछे you need to see the work. Look at the work at the back of it too. And ये जो necklace है ना, this is interchangeable. I'm gonna show you. Not the earrings. Earrings एक ही side से पड़ते हैं, which is this one. But जो necklace है, वो आप दोनों तरफ से डाल सकते हो. That's what they explained me. पर इसकी दूसरी side भी बहुत beautiful है. And look at this piece on this side. Could you believe? एक के दाम में दो. I like that. Yeah. So ये मेरी छोटी सी collection थी. I hope you guys liked this vlog, enjoyed it, and definitely try to subscribe me. On a wintry, cold day, I wanted to bring this out for you guys. Keep yourself warm, safe till then. Love you all. Bye-bye.